for a little smoke break. I'm going down to the park, my normal park where I always seem to go. But as you can see, I'm not driving the KLX300 today. This is my ZX6R. Sorry, if you're American, it's a ZX6R, which doesn't sound as cool. Honestly, Z sounds cooler when it comes to like something to do motorcycle related. But anyway, we're gonna take this thing for a little ride, grab ourselves a smoke break, and see what the night has to offer. I don't know how long the rain will hold off. The forecast doesn't say it's supposed to rain, so we'll fucking see. But anyway, feels good to be out on a Friday night, just ripping around. So fucking good right now. Hopefully it's not whistling too much on the mic. This is my first time really recording with the with this bike, even though I've been riding it for a few weeks now. But I haven't been out like recording. The biggest reason for that is I didn't have a GoPro, and now I do. But my dilemma was I didn't have a microphone, I didn't have a GoPro. Anyway, you can hear the traction control doing its thing, which I have it on a setting I don't normally have it on because I rode home in the rain last night. So I had the traction control on a little heavier than I would normally want. Where do I change that? Right there. Yeah, so anyway, there's a, I think it's called like a helmet curtain, like the little foam thing that goes from basically your chin to like the front of your helmet, like on the bottom, like under your lips sort of thing. A lot of wind comes in there, and my other helmet has one of those things. This one doesn't. I don't mind it for when I'm riding, but I don't know how the audio works out. Like, I don't know if you guys are just getting a bunch of wind noise or how that's really working out, so we'll see. I noticed with this bike, it doesn't like being between, say, 4,000 and 7,000 RPM. It really hates it. I looked it up, and supposedly that's like a fairly common thing with these bikes, so I think it has to do with the fuel injection system, from what I read on, well, Reddit. And truth be told, I'll take that advice. I don't know if it's real or not. But yeah, I noticed it kind of sputters, almost like it's struggling a tiny bit when it's at somewhere in and around. Whoa, there's nobody here. This is weird for a Friday night. This place is normally be packed. I don't know why there's nobody here. That's all right. I'm just gonna turn around here anyway. And I'm gonna find me a nice little bench for a cigar, and I'm picking probably right underneath, oh Canada. We'll pick somewhere up here. Anyway, I'll see you guys after the cigar break. All right, cigar break. Now I'm gonna go probably just honestly take a little ride around. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but we'll play it by ear, I guess. That was the quickest light. Like, that light it turned green, this car in front of me, and then that Jeep went through, and as I was going through, it turned yellow, like right away. 3 cars. That, see, you can probably hear it too. You get a loud exhaust, but see how it's like sputtering between like 4 and maybe like 5,000 RPMs? Is that normal? I honestly can't figure out what would be causing it. It only seems to be in like a short window, like let's call it between 4 and 7,000 RPMs at the most. Not a lot, but I can feel it. It doesn't, like, I don't know, I was about to say it doesn't really lurch, but it kind of does. Like, not crazy, but like, it's a little odd anyway. So I saw that that is normal on these according to Reddit, but who fucking knows? Fuck, that sounds wild in there. I don't know which way I want to go. Fuck it, I'll go this way. Much fun, man. Hitting the fucking throttle, letting it out, feeling some popcorn. Yes, buddy. Fucking throw a little bit of butter on there, man. Make my own movies. Dude, I'm fucked. Oh, fuck me, man. Fuck it. I was gonna go home, but I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. I kind of just want to keep riding. I don't know where I'm gonna go now, but nice night, and the weather tomorrow doesn't look like it's supposed to be particularly lovely. It's gonna be a little on the chillier side, and also there's currently rain being called for, so maybe I'll loop back this way and then take the little highway stint home. I don't know. my god, I cannot see shit right now. Seriously, that sun, like if a car's pulling out to my right, I'm fucking dead. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that was like directly in my eyes up that whole hill. I genuinely could not see anything there. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, when I'm looking like directly up here, that sun is directly in my eyes. I don't know if the GoPro, like, I think the GoPro probably fixes the visibility a little bit, but for me, man, I genuinely couldn't see anything. Thank God when I get on the highway here, it's not going to be facing that way. My goodness, that was rough. There was a minute there where I'm like, holy fuck, I genuinely couldn't see jack shit. Got in my eyes again there. That was my extra little bit of a ride to have a little bit more fun. Alright, well, we're parked back in the crib here. There's the KLX, see, I still got her. And then here's the Zx6R. She's a little bit dirty. I had to ride in the rain yesterday, so the windscreen's a bit dirty. I actually check out the back seat, like, look at this. Ugh. I'm gonna clean her up tomorrow and go for a new ride. But anyway, there she is, boys. Boom! Kawasaki Tribe. This is your starting lineup, summer 2024. Peace.